Just do it. Just do it. It's going to save you so many hours of your life. Once you're comfortable doing it on a small scale, you'll have that confidence to go and do it anywhere you're planting new plants. And it's gonna make your plants so much happier. It's gonna make you happier, I promise. Hey everybody, I'm here on the patio at Groovy Plants Ranch. This is our back patio here. And today I'm gonna show you something that if you do it, if you listen, if you actually try it out, it's gonna save hours and hours of your life. And when you actually do the math, it could be days of your life over the course of years. And that is building your own simple irrigation system with our Groovy Plants Ranch irrigation kit. For years, I have watched people use soaker hoses in their gardens and water all of the weeds in addition to the nice plants. I've watched them spend hours of their lives watering plants, sometimes forgetting, and then the plants perish. And there is a much better way to water, and it is not difficult at all. So today I'm gonna show you in a few very short, quick and easy steps how to use the Groovy Plants Ranch drip irrigation kit to build a very basic, very simple irrigation system for your planters and for freshly planted perennial garden beds. Very quickly, I'm gonna show you what comes in the kit, and it's really, really simple. It's just a few pieces. First, you have your tube. This is the main supply line. You're gonna get 100 feet of tube. Second is this connector. This is what you'll hook up to your spigot. A bag of drippers. There's 30 drippers in here, meaning you could do up to 30 plants. Spaghetti tube, a crimp for closing your supply line, and a punch for your drippers. Step one of taking your life back from endless watering is taking this piece and inserting it all the way down on that supply tube. It has a barbed fitting so it can't come off. Step two, connect your line to your spigot on your house. Step three, walk out the necessary amount of tubing to get to your planters. So I'm gonna do this in front, but then you can move it to the back when you're done. Step four, once you have the right amount of tube pulled out, go ahead and give it a cut. Step five, you're gonna use this simple crimp tool. You just put it down over one end, crimp the pipe, pull it back, and the pipe is crimped. Now in just a few short seconds, I'm gonna have water to all 5 of these planters. So you need 5 drippers, one for each planter. And this little awesome tool is perfect for these little drippers. You insert the dripper onto the end. And in near proximity to your planter, this is a barbed dripper. Just line it up over the tube and punch it in. Go to each of your plants and punch them in. It's so easy, and that's why for years I've wanted to offer something like this to my customers, but it just seemed like it was such an easy thing for people to get confused about. That's why I put together this package to take all of the guesswork out of. Step 7, take your spaghetti tube and cut the desired lengths needed to go from the supply tube to each of your plants or planters. If you're doing in-ground planting, you may not need this tube at all. Step 8, very simple. You just push it on. These are the materials we use here at the ranch, and these are the exact same materials I use at my own home. And this is through trial and error of trying all kinds of products. These just are the best. Now I'm gonna hide this pipe up behind my pots. Step 9, just insert those tubes into each one of your plants. If the tube is too long, you can cut it down. You do want to push it down in the soil, kind of near the middle of the plant if you can. Off to the side is okay too, because that plant will pull the water throughout the root ball. That's called capillary action. Okay, step 10 easy steps. What do we do now? Turn on the water. Let it run for 20 minutes or however long it takes to water your plants in. And here you can see that steady flow of dripping water. 20 minutes and these will be perfectly watered in. And newly planted perennial gardens follow pretty much the same logic. The only difference is you want to weave your pipe between your newly planted plants. So I just put in some really nice new perennials like this campanula and this agastache right here. So I'm weaving the hose between them. And now that the hose is right next to your newly planted plants, like this really nice little Artemisia here, pop that little dripper right next to your plant. And now when the water runs, it'll drip right at the root zone of your plant. So you can do that for as many new perennials as you want, and your plants are gonna get watered effortlessly. Just turn your spigot on, let it run for 20 minutes. You can even get timers for this if you want to take it a step further. But this is your simple kit for making your life that much easier and really unlocking your ability to have an incredible garden, whether it's container gardens, hanging baskets. You can adopt this same thing to establishing all kinds of plants in your gardens. So once again, with the kit, you get 100 feet of hose, 100 feet of spaghetti tube, and all the supplies that you need to irrigate up to 30 plants. I think this is a great value. I put it together just to help our customers be more successful. Consistent watering is one of the most difficult things to do. And here in the business and at my home, I have everything on drip irrigation. So this is a simple starter kit to get you comfortable with this. If you're not using it, you should be. You will get hours of your life back every single year. I'd say on average, we spend 15 minutes a day, maybe more watering. Imagine if you got all of that time back over the course of just 1 week. So that's my goal, is to make this easier for people so that you can do other things like maybe even plant more plants, because now you have the tools to make it that much easier to keep your plants healthy. So get your irrigation kits now. Our Groovy irrigation kit is available for pre-order and pickup. We don't know how popular these are gonna be, so there may be a 1 week wait time. We'll let you know. We really just want you to have success and to enjoy your plants, and we want your plants to look amazing.